So the first ice cream we're gonna make is gonna be mint chocolate chip. So now I'm just adding 2 frozen bananas. One-eighth of pure peppermint extract. You can add more if you like a stronger flavor. I'm adding 1 cup of frozen spinach leaves and a half cup of coconut cream. Now I'm going to add these mini chocolate chips. You can also cut up dark chocolate. Now I'm just pouring it in a container. And I'm gonna freeze it. Next, I'm gonna make the strawberry ice cream. Once again, 2 bananas, 2 frozen bananas. I'm going to add a handful of strawberries, a pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a half cup of coconut cream. For the chocolate ice cream, again 2 frozen bananas, a half cup of melted chocolate chips. Make sure that it's dairy free. Half a cup of coconut cream. A half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we're going to blend it up, and if it needs more chocolate, then we'll add cocoa powder.